2 3/4 teaspoons of yeast in a bowl, 3/4 of a cup of tap water. You don't want the water to be boiling because it won't activate the yeast. It'll be too hot. And 2 teaspoons of sugar. It's just white sugar. You can use honey if you want. Just mix that up. I've got my flour in there, 2 1/3 cups of flour. Now if you look at the yeast, you can see a film around it. This is foaming right here. So that took about 10 minutes for it to foam like that. Mix this around with my hands. Some olive oil, just a little dab in there. Swish it around. Give it a little bit on the top. That's enough. Spread around the edges. Now I'm going to turn the oven on for 1 minute to 100, then shut it off, and I'm going to put this in the oven. While the dough has been rising in the oven, I cooked up some mushrooms, and I grated some mozzarella cheese, and I put out some tomato sauce. Oh, and also I sliced up some ham. I let the dough rise in the oven. I had it on at 100 degrees, then I shut the oven off, and let's see what, it's been about an hour in here now. Let's see what's going on. Ooh, it's stuck to the, look how much it's rose up. Well, we'll see if all that dough is enough. The pan is 16 by 10.5 inches. Getting there though. I'll show you how big the pan is compared to that. Okay, I'm going to put it in the pan now. Oh, it's not sticking. Yeah, a little bit to the counter, but not much. Yeah. You see it right here. I'm going to take a little bit off here and put it in there. I'm going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees and turn on the exhaust fan. pizza mozzarella cheese is what it is. But you can just use regular mozzarella. I hope I don't have flour on the bottom of that, because I did still have flour on the... Okay, here we go. And I'll start the timer, and I let it go a little bit longer. 19 minutes. Let's have a look now. 19 minutes. Because I did put a lot of topping on it. Let's check it out. That's 19 minutes. I'll let it go for a little bit longer because it's still not brown enough on the edges. Coming up 25 minutes. Back it up a little bit here. There, that's done now. See if I can get the camera underneath. That's what it looks like underneath. See if I can get this side. Oh yeah, this. See, the whole thing's moving. Check the other side.
At least with the square one, you have something to put things up against. This, it always seems like it shrinks away from the edge.
You're having better time squishing it than I did in that pan, though.
I find it easier in the pan. See, look at the way it comes away from the edge. It's going to be a thick crusted pizza on this thing too. And it's going to be ham and salami. And mushroom. Ham, salami, and mushroom.
Well, there's the ham.
Easter pizza. So we're going to be having lots of turkey and stuff over at my sister's. Can't waste them.
Should I start the oven now?
Sure, I can start the oven. Just tell me what temperature to put it at.
400.
Okay. Put it in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. We'll check it after 20 minutes. Maybe even 15. We'll give it a look.
We're at 11 minutes.
I'm gonna have a look and see how it's coming along. Whoa, looks so good. I'm sure in another 10 minutes it'll be done, but it's gonna be a very thick crusted pizza. I can tell by this side here. But it looks good.
We're coming up to 20 minutes.
Gonna have a look. Well, I can tell by the edges of it that we're still gonna need a few more minutes. maybe 10. Because I want the crust to be done. Let's see. May I please have the knife? No, a little bit longer. You can tell by the bottom of the crust.
We're at 30 minutes in at 400 degrees in a stoneware pan.
And someone's awfully anxious for me to take it out of the oven. I just hope it's done.
Well, now you can get a good look at it, you know, underneath, eh? That looks more like a pizza when it's round like that.